how to dispute an ESPN Plus charge on bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, check if the charge originated via your Disney bundle or your Google Pay or your Apple Pay, right? So make sure that, and then from there you can actually contact your ESPN Plus customer via your espn.in/null, and then from there you'll actually be able to get into that page just like this. This is the actual page, and in here you can see this is the contact us option, right? So in here, if you simply tap on ESPN Help Center, you'll actually be able to get into the customer service in order to resolve this actual thing, right? So in here, if they are not willing to like solve your issue, then what you can actually do is try to file a dispute online through your bank's web portal instead. So like I said, first try to get help from ESPN. If they cannot help you, then you can get to your bank and dispute the charges through your bank's web portal too, or you can call your bank in order to do that too. So I'm pretty sure that will actually be able to help you guys out in order to dispute the ESPN Plus charge on bank statement.